If you regularly build presentations, you know the frustration of the blank side. You end up spending an hour wrestling with text boxes and aligning tiny arrows just to explain a basic workflow. In the next 6 minutes, we're going to look at a better way. We'll show you how to take a raw wall of text and convert it instantly into a presentation-ready diagram using Napkin AI. You don't need any graphic design background to do this, and the entire platform runs directly in your web browser. By letting an AI handle the layout, you stop acting as a manual drafter and start focusing entirely on the clarity of your message. Step 1 is getting into the platform. Navigate to the Napkin AI website and click the Get Napkin Free button in the upper right. From there, you can bypass a manual sign-up by using your existing Google account. Next, select whether you plan to use the tool for work, personal use, or school. This tells the AI what visual metaphors are most relevant. Finally, choose the intended destination for your visuals, like a presentation or a blog, and click Submit. Completing this brief profile sets the baseline for the engine, ensuring the generated charts match the professional or academic tone you actually need. Once inside your new workspace, you have 2 distinct paths to bring in your information. If you already have notes, a project brief, or an email, click by pasting my text content. This opens a blank canvas where you can just drop in your existing text. If you are starting entirely from scratch, you can choose by generating text using AI instead. Here, you act as the editor. Type a prompt like, "How is bark paper made?" Click Continue, and the system will draft a fully structured, multi-paragraph document for you. Notice that the platform always starts with writing. The text serves as the strict source of truth, and all the visual logic we build next will be derived directly from these paragraphs. Now, look at the left margin next to your text. Whenever you hover over a paragraph, a blue lightning bolt icon appears. Clicking that bolt is the trigger. It tells the AI to analyze the specific relationships and steps described in the text. This diagram shows the immediate output, a vertical timeline of the MTT assay procedure. The AI automatically extracted the steps, ordered them chronologically, and paired each one with a relevant icon. What normally takes 20 minutes of dragging shapes and aligning text icons just happened in a single click. The initial draft is just a starting point. When you click on the generated diagram, the interface splits. Your source text stays on the left, locked to the visual representation on the right. To explore different layouts, locate the Change Style menu. This opens a carousel where you can flip through alternative diagram types until you find the layout that best communicates your data. Below that, the formatting toolbar lets you adjust specific design elements. You can swap the background color to match your company branding or lock the aspect ratio to 16:9. This chart shows the fully customized horizontal timeline for the bark paper process, complete with refined colors, specific icons, and a layout that fits perfectly across a screen. This granular formatting control ensures that the AI speed doesn't cost you professional polish. To get your visual out of the browser, click the export icon. You can download charts in standard formats like PNG, PDF, or SVG. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, a format ensuring your diagram won't lose quality when resized. If you want to keep the written context attached to the visual, use the Share menu to download a full document PDF. In that menu, you can select the Presentation 16:9 option. This formats your PDF so it perfectly matches the dimensions of standard slide decks. Because you can export into these universally accepted formats, your visuals are never stuck inside the platform. They are ready to drop into your preferred workflow. And here's the final step. You just drag your exported diagram directly into your PowerPoint or Keynote slide, and you have a clear, professionally designed centerpiece. In under 6 minutes, you went from a disorganized wall of text to a high-fidelity visual asset. And if you ever need to update the data, your Library tab stores all your past projects, so you can jump back in and iterate. By letting Napkin AI handle the tedious mechanics of building diagrams, you get your time back. You can stop worrying about the formatting and focus entirely on sharing your ideas.